Welcome to the series of web development classes. This is the first class in the web development series and we start off with the HTML language. We do the HTML language in the Visual Studio Code software and this can be downloaded from the internet by searching in the Google like Visual Studio Code. And after installing, the logo of the Visual Studio Code is something like this. After installing Visual Studio Code, your interface will be something similar to this. When we start the first program, we will start with the concept of meta tags. Meta is information about the data. The description of the meta tag is information about the data, and we include all these meta tags in the head section of the HTML. And this is the basic outline of the HTML language, HTML program for any program. All these should be there for any HTML language. Then we will quickly jump into the first program, meta tags. We'll learn about the meta tags here. Before even coming to the meta tags, first we will see the doc type HTML. What is this doc type HTML means? We are conveying to the web browser that this document is of type HTML, so that web browser uses proper rendering to properly display this particular web page. Next we have the language attribute and the value is en, means that we have written this particular web page in the English language. We are conveying that to it to the browser. Next comes the head section. Head section hosts the all the style tags, all the meta characters, all the meta tags, etc. So all the meta tags are inside the head section. As I said earlier, meta is information about the data. Next, we have the meta character set UTF-8. Here we are using the proper encoding purpose, character encoding purpose. We are using the UTF-8 character set. Next comes the description keywords other. Description keywords other. Meta name and content. So when users searches for our website in the Google or some other search engine, they use some kind of sentence to properly search for the website. In this case, they might if they're on a plan of vacation and they need some tourism websites for their vacation, so they might search something like budget tourism plans. So they might use this sentence in searching for their vacation. So I have included this particular sentence in our content and our description content. So whenever user searches using these particular sentences, chances are high that my website will be populating in the first place. Next, keywords. Keywords, if it is a tourism website, users might want to visit some waterfall tourism places, some mountains tourism places, some places where the best food is available. So they might search even with these keyboards. So I have included waterfalls, mountains, food. Suppose if my website is about the web development, so I might change the content in for the description here. I might use something like free web development classes. Since content for the description is changed, I also need to change the content for the keywords here. Web development classes, what will be the subjects? We have HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, something like this. Then the person who designed this website is is known as the author. In this case, the other name is Swami. The next we have the viewport and content here. Viewport is very important because nowadays users use different devices to view the website. Most of them are using mobiles. Some of them are using laptops. Some of them are using desktops. Some of them are using tabs. All these devices are having different screen widths, and our website should look similar in all these devices. So it should adjust its width to all these devices. In that case, we should use this particular uh, value to properly render our website, to properly display our website in all these devices. Next, coming to the title and body section, etc., etc., we will cover all these other things in the next class, since this is only related to the meta tags. And when we run this particular code using this particular run and debug option, then you can see there is nothing displayed here, because meta tags are not for the output purpose. Meta tags are only for the purpose of the search engines and search engine optimization and proper browser information. So meta tags are not displayed in the output, but they should be mentioned in the head section of the web page. This is a small introduction of the meta tags. In the next class, we will continue about the other tags and continue ahead with the other topics. And thank you.